Hey guys, so Samsung has launched the Galaxy A10, Galaxy A30 and Galaxy A50 smartphones in India. Aimed towards the millennials, the A30 and A50 are mid-range devices, whereas the A10 is an entry-level smartphone. The Galaxy A50 and the Galaxy A30 are equipped with similar specs. Both the handsets offer a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with an Infinity U-notch design. The Galaxy A50 is fitted with an in-display fingerprint scanner, whereas the A30 has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Galaxy A50 is the first smartphone to feature the Exynos 9610 chipset. The SoC is supported by up to 6GB of RAM. It is equipped with an internal storage of 64GB. The Galaxy A30 is powered by the Exynos 7904 phones. It features a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of native storage. The 50W fast charger through USB-enabled 4000 mAh batteries are packed inside both phones. The Galaxy A50 is blessed with a triple camera unit that includes a 25MP primary sensor, 5MP depth sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. It has a front-facing camera of 25MP. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A30 has a dual camera setup, 16MP main sensor and 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens. It has a front-facing camera of 16MP. The Galaxy A10 is a weaker phone compared to the Galaxy A30 and Galaxy A50 phones. It has a 6.2-inch Infinity V display design, enabled LCD panel that supports HD plus resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. The Exynos 7884 SoC, 2GB of RAM and 3400 mAh battery are present under the hood of the device. It has an inbuilt storage of 32GB. Backbone of the phone has a 13MP sensor and a 5MP selfie shooter. It lacks support for fingerprint sensor. The newly Galaxy A series phones are loaded with One UI based Android 9 Pie OS. The 4GB and 6GB RAM editions of the Galaxy A50 are respectively priced at $279 and $325. The Galaxy A30 costs $239, whereas the Galaxy A10 carries a price tag of $119. What are you thinking about this Samsung Galaxy A series smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.